Paano ba natin maiwasan na makareceive tayo ng mga messages sa mga taong hindi natin kilala sa Messenger? Una, pupunta po tayo sa ating Messenger app. Tapos, makita nyo po to may 3 guhit sa taas. Click po natin yung may chat sa gilid. Tapos, itong message request po, click po natin. Tapos, may makikita kayong you may know. I-click po natin dito sa baba yung decide who can message you, yung kulay blue po. Tapos makikita nyo po maraming siyang dapat na i-off. Itong people with your phone number, friends on Facebook, accounts you follow or have chatted with on Instagram, your follower on Instagram. Tapos yun dito yung other people, others on Facebook, others on Instagram. Una po, pipindutin po natin yung people with your phone number. Dapat po, naka-blue po ito, naka-enable po tong don't receive request. Nakakulay blue po siya. I-click nyo po tong don't receive request. Yan eh. Tapos, itong friends of friends on Facebook, don't receive request. Dapat po naka-blue siya. Yan. Tapos, accounts you follow or have chatted with on Instagram. Pindutin nyo po itong don't receive request. Dapat po naka-blue siya. I-update nyo po. Ako po kasi don't receive request na siya. Pero pag clinic nyo po, halimbawa itong your follower on Instagram, pag clinic nyo po siya, pag clinic nyo yung don't receive request, may lalabas pong command na parang update settings. I-click nyo po yung update settings para po ma-update siya. Tapos yung other people, others on Facebook, don't receive request, naka-blue po siya. Naka-blue po siya. Naka-blue po lahat yung aking don't receive request. Tapos, dito naman po tayo sa spam messages. Yung spam messages po, open a chat for more info who can send it. They won't know you've seen their message until you reply. Kiklik po natin yung kulay blue, decide who can message you. Kiklik po natin yan. Lahat po, kung ano po ginawa ko doon sa nauna, ganun din po. Yung halos parehas lang po. People with your phone number, don't receive request. Click po natin. Yan, naka-blue po siya yung people with your phone number, don't receive request. Naka-enable po yung don't receive request, yung kulay blue po siya. Tapos to pong friends on Facebook, don't receive request. Tapos accounts you follow or have chatted with on Instagram, don't receive request. Yan po, your follower on Instagram, don't receive request. Tapos yung Facebook po, other people, others on Facebook, don't receive request. Lahat po siya naka-enable, nakakulay blue po siya. Yung don't receive request. Para po hindi na po tayo makatanggap ng mga messages sa mga taong hindi natin kilala. Ganyan lang po. Sana po may natutunan kayo. And pa-subscribe po ng aking channel para palang updated po sa bagong mga post na videos. Thank you. Salamat. Bye-bye.